how to hide and unhide songs on Spotify. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can hide and unhide songs on Spotify. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first of all, open up the Spotify app. Now you want to go through and find a song that you'd like to hide. Just keep in mind, you can't actually hide songs that are on your own playlist you've created. You've got to find a playlist that's been created randomly by Spotify. So if I just click on this first playlist here that's showing up, today's top hits. So you can go through and look at the songs that are on this playlist. And if you actually don't want to see one of those songs because you don't like it, you can click on the three dots next to that song. And then as you can see, it comes up with the option, second one down, to hide this song. So just tap on that one, and that one has now been hidden. If you didn't mean to do that, you can tap on undo on that menu that was just up there. Alternatively, next to the song, there's a little minus button. You can tap on that one, and now that song is no longer hidden. And that's what it takes to hide and unhide songs on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.